Understanding the phrase, gray area. Hello to all our English learners out there. Today, we're diving into an interesting English idiom that you might come across in daily conversations. Gray area. Ever heard of it? If not, or if you're unsure about its meaning, stick around and we'll unravel it together. Before we get into the idiom itself, let's talk about the words. Gray is a color, something in between black and white. Now, when we think of black and white in terms of situations or decisions, they often signify clarity or being definite. So, if black and white are clear and definite, what do you think gray might signify? Gray area is an idiom that represents a situation that is unclear or undefined. It refers to scenarios where things aren't black and white, meaning they aren't straightforward or obvious. Instead, they are ambiguous. When someone says, "It's a gray area," they're expressing that there isn't a clear answer, rule, or direction regarding that particular situation. For example, if two friends are discussing whether or not it's okay to borrow someone's pen without asking, one might say, "It's kind of a gray area." This means that it's not entirely right or wrong. It's somewhere in between. To better understand, let's see how gray area can be used in everyday sentences. 1. Whether or not downloading music without paying for it is considered theft is a gray area in some countries. 2. The company's return policy on opened items is a bit of a gray area. You might want to check with the manager. 3. I'm not sure if that's allowed in the office. It's a gray area in our rules. And there we have it, the idiom, gray area. Next time you're in a situation that's not quite clear or where the rules aren't defined, remember this phrase. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting English idiom. Keep exploring the language, and we'll catch you in the next video.